Today, I'm going to show you how I rebuilt a app valued at about $8 million. I'll show you how, and I'll show you the stats in a minute. So, for example, if we actually type in the keyword SEO ROI calculator, the people are typing into Google here. You can actually see that our page built with Bolt.new, which is very similar to Lovable, is ranking #1 for that keyword, right? And so, when you're doing this process, yeah, so you can see it quotes my website here inside Perplexity as well, right? And so you can optimize these pages for SEO too. Borpy says thank you. Glenn says doesn't seem to have OG images, OG descriptions and subpages. That might work, but social sharing doesn't seem solid. Not sure about social sharing, but I'm sure you could change the meta images too. Like what you could do is you could just go inside here and then just say, okay. And by the way, this is the page that we created for our app. So you can see this has got some really nice content, nicely designed, etc. And then you can trigger the webhook once people enter their email address here. And then inside this section, you can just say, okay, can you add an image for social sharing? Square, right? Something like that. And then you can fix it that way. So essentially, that's how you can change now the social media page as well. So you can see it's creating the banner and everything else, which means that when you share it online, it will look a lot nicer. You can also invite people to your projects if you have like a developer working on this. So you can quite easily like get a lot of MA10 builders online, and that's basically it. So just to reconfirm here, we rebuilt based on how Motivation Daily Quotes app is monetizing with their freemium subscription model. According to the quotes online, they make over $600,000 per month in revenue. But you can see how you can basically connect Lovable and NA10 together so that they can build beautiful apps that work really well together using this webhook process.